In this video I'm going to show you how to use the map scene. So if you create a new scene and you see the map viewer scene here, let's create one. And we can see that we have this map on our canvas. So this map is living in a 3D, okay, in a 3D world. And I can scroll and I can zoom in. And the more I zoom in, the more tiles are loaded. Okay, so this is good to show storytelling on maps, for example, and other experiences on maps. And if you click on the map entity, you see that you can search for any location, or you can drag the pin and it automatically sets the location coordinate on it. Basically what happened was the camera moved to this coordinate. Okay, so this is still the camera. Okay, so if I set the initial view, it will stay on this view of the map. You see that the map starts right here in this coordinate, okay? And as this is living in the 3D world, okay, so it's in 3D, it has coordinates in 3D, we can have any kind of asset, for example. So for example, I can drag this one and I will scale it down a bit and position it on the map. And you can see that when I'm inside the 3D model, I can have a 3D model experience, and I can go out and still see the 3D model in here. Okay, so all things count, lights, HDRs, all things can be used as usual. You can even add other kind of hotspots. For example, I will copy this hotspot to my scene. And for example, I can paste it, and you see that the hotspot it's located in the map. Okay, so beware of the coordinates and the scales. Okay, so I position the hotspot in here, but you can see that if I zoom out, the hotspot doesn't show. That is easily solved by right-clicking on the hotspot, going to the transform, and scale with camera distance. So whenever I zoom out, the hotspot is still there. Okay. One other thing is the action of the GPS. Okay, so when you are in a map scene and you want, for example, to center the GPS of the user, you use this action, and whenever you click, it will recenter according to the coordinates, the GPS coordinates of the user. So if he's in this street, it will center the map view on that location. So this is very easy. I guess that's it, and see you on the next video.